today we have this for giving for you guys. Actually, we have a pencil case. I don't know what's this. A hat, and also this stuffed toy, and this pillow, and actually this notebook, and this bottle, and also this cute little lunchbox. I really like this lunchbox. I will miss you. And guys, if you like this, comment down below. Go into my Facebook account and go into my Instagram. Actually, if you really like them, oh, I forgot the hat. Actually, you can actually get
Labs
this.
ko na, Labs.
Actually, you can get this here in my house for anything you like. If you like this, oh, sorry if you guys really want this. This one. If you guys want this one, this is actually just the side. Baby, are you having a whistle? Are you eating that? Hey, actually, that's a glass. That's only just a plastic. Actually, you can eat that. Oh my God! How you know how do you know that? Actually, guys, let's continue. Guys, actually, look at this. I already vlogged this, but I actually have two of them, so I will give this other one because baby still 1 and 3 months. Sweet. Okay, here's the package, guys. This is actually have 1 and 2 and 3, 4 packets, and actually have a zipper and this sticky note. And inside of the one is a puppet, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puppets inside of the zipper. So let's close it. You look so funny if you look that baby. Okay guys, that's the end of our video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't believe. Look at this baby. I can't believe that. Actually, you're singing. I can't believe this. She know how to whistle and sing by herself. We don't know that she knows that. And oh my God, I didn't know how to sing this Filipino song. Actually, kahit ayaw mo na. Oh my gosh. Oh, just for gotta be continue this, okay? Kahit ikaw ay magalit, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, iibigin pa rin kita. Kahit ayaw mo na, tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Wow. O bakit ba kailangan ba umalis? Pag-iusap, binawag ka lang lumigit. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ikaw minto. Bumukong iwan na ayusin natin to. Alis sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit ang lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo, ba't ka lumayo? Labo ng labo, ita'y malabo, malabo, ita'y malabo, bumalik. continue that